Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is not going to be any kind of a traveling vlog this time. This would be an informative video which can be useful for international students. At the end of the video, I would be giving a very useful suggestion for students. Some may find it good for them. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So as we already know, it is very difficult for students to secure a part-time job here. So what they can do, they can just start with the Uber delivery. For that they have to create an Uber account. So they just need to visit Uber website. So to create an Uber account, they just need one Canadian photo ID proof and one work eligibility proof. So they can just submit their driving license, and for work eligibility they can provide them their SIN number. After that they will be proceeding with the criminal record check. So after clearing the criminal record check, they can start with their Uber delivery. To start Uber delivery, you must need a bicycle. So it would be a great idea to invest some money for buying an electric bicycle. You can buy a bicycle from Walmart or from any other store. You can buy a bicycle on installments. So one should never leave the chance of doing Uber delivery if they are free at home. With that time, they can continuously trying to applying with the agencies, but they should not sit at home, because this may lead to stress or anxiety. So it would be better if they are doing Uber delivery in their free time. One important thing, while ride the bicycle, don't forget to follow all the traffic rules. So at the last, I strongly recommend you to do the Uber delivery if you don't have work right now. So you can get hundreds of video which can give you idea that what things which you should bring while coming to Canada. But here I would like to mention that you should not forget to bring your IELTS material with you, because you will be giving your IELTS exam again here. And I personally think that the material which you got in India while preparation is the best material. So you can bring that notes or whatever you have with you, so you can easily remind those words or material which you have already prepared. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and thank you so much for love and support. We'll meet in the next video shortly. Thank you. Bye bye.